Dare I say, the most exciting leap forward for blockchain technology is happening on the imminent second layer of Syscoin's NVM. We are preparing to implement the industry's first fully functioning EVM-compatible Layer 2, ready for mass adoption. The Syscoin team foresaw how integral scalability would be for Web3 to reach the masses, which is why we have been building with RollUps and our own unique PODA proof of data availability solution in mind. Our NVM's Layer 2, called Rollux, is scheduled to release in Q1 2023, as these innovations complete their testnet trials and enter mainnet. The Rollux roadmap currently includes optimistic and ZK rollups, proof of data availability, Validium, and DAO-Sys, all of which play an integral role in Syscoin's rise to prominence. Since Syscoin's NVM is programmed in the Solidity language and is 100% compatible with smart contracts and rollups built for Ethereum, we are extending an open invitation for dApp developers to easily port to Syscoin. Those who do will gain the benefits of first mover advantage for being able to bring their products to market before those committed to other ecosystems, in addition to Bitcoin's POW security, greater decentralization, and the skill that comes from increased speeds and cheaper transactions. Validium is an upgrade for ZK rollups, which will bring even greater efficiencies. This paves the way towards a future where the number of smart contracts Syscoin will be able to run simultaneously becomes arbitrary, paving the way for the Metaverse, smart cities, the Internet of Things, and even interplanetary civilization. DAO-Sys is much more than a decentralized autonomous organization. It is a DAO model to allow for the decentralization and automation of enterprise practices. And the Syscoin Foundation will use it for themselves as a proof of concept once it's ready. However, it's also being designed as a blockchain operating system, which will standardize the development process by giving developers the tools and shortcuts they need to build smart contracts and dApps far more quickly, saving countless hours in the process and making Syscoin the most attractive ecosystem to develop within. Syscoin's major breakthroughs in rollups and our own PODA solution make it the platform most ready to support limitless scaling and therefore mass adoption. RollUps scale transactions by essentially compressing a multitude of transactions together and treating them as though they were just one. Meanwhile, there must be a way to verify each transaction within the rollup contains all the data it's meant to relay without sacrificing decentralization, which is where PODA comes into play. Although many projects are singing the praises of rollups, few mention their plan for how to address proving data availability. Currently, Ethereum is the only other project to have a proposed solution via proto-dank sharding, which has striking similarities to Syscoin's straightforwardly named proof of data availability. However, proto-dank sharding is at least a year away, whereas PODA, alongside RollUps, is already on testnet and set to debut on the mainnet in early 2023. The future awaits, but with Syscoin, it's nearly here. If you yearn for the scalability and affordability needed to make your Web3 project a success, along with Bitcoin's proven security, we invite you to join us.